There's the Sur-Ron. It's a little bit past my bedtime, you know. Work nights, but I'll get it open. Put it up on the box to give me a little bit of height. Oh man, it'd be easier if I had someone else with me, but right here by the crib. It'd help if I, actually pulled the axle out. The fuel eating for the light, and that's that plate mount I was talking about. I just gotta get the fender on there and then the peg, and then I'm good for the first ride. I'll do the rest of the stuff tomorrow, like setup and pedals, all that other stuff, but I gotta get that first ride going. Alright, so in the time it took me to put that together, so it's only a half hour actually. It charged 25% actually. I'm at 84 now. I'll put the battery back in, give it a ride. I don't know what I did with my headband strip, so I'm not doing that yet, but I can't even. There it is. All put together. I can't even do it. Fucking sexy. Headlights too. Okay, so I didn't have my cam on, and that's kind of really depressing because my first ride was funny. Oh, and that light just stays on, I guess. But since sport mode, they don't ship it with 20-mile-an-hour limit anymore. So I just took off, did a fat-ass wheelie down my driveway, hit the brakes. My bars slipped a little bit, so I'm tightening up a little bit tighter than usual. But holy fuck, dude, I launched. Now we're just trying to figure out how to get it from kilometers an hour to mile an hour so I could get a pole. But yeah, dude, I'm gonna fucking die. So the little pole from my driveway to the road over there, I hit 19 miles an hour. I'm not sure how accurate that speedo is though.
Let's get it.
I'm gonna get to riding and get the fuck to bed. I'll give you guys an update tomorrow when I actually have time. Alright, so I did take it off-road a little bit, splash some mud, did a little peel in the garage. And then I also looked up the video how to remove that speed sensor limiter thingy, whatever you want to call it. And you gotta cut the wow, I'm tired. I should be really in bed right now, but all you gotta do is pop that off. Well, you don't even have to. I don't think. I'll just flip the limiter, cut that housing, and that green looped wire in there. It's gonna get the snip. The guy in all the ones I watch just got the one. But they both have the same tracer. So hopefully I don't fuck the bike up. Gonna put these scissors down. Turn the brake around. Hop on. And hopefully I didn't break my Sur-Ron. That sucked 2 minutes into ownership. No, I'm just kidding. It's been like half hour. But still, you know what I mean. Okay, so I'm going to back out the garage right into the box that it came in. Because, you know, I'm pro. Oh, man. I just Went to grab the swing arm, got my hand all muddy. Okay, so that modification should be able to hit 50 in theory. Well, 45 I think is what it said. So I'm gonna go for that right now. Yeah, that did it. I hit 35. I don't think I'll have the space to get up to 40. No, I hit 36. That's pretty all right. I'll get another run. I think my neighbor's finna pull out though. Oh man, that's some tough shit, bro. $38 we got. Okay, we're gonna do the pull. Yeah, fuck that stop sign. I saw it getting wet up there, and with these knobby ass stock tires, I wasn't going to risk topping out at that, but I think I did top it out at 45. That seemed to be the limit. I'm not going to try it on the way back because I'm not trying to bust my shit, but little beans. I ain't trying to cut through nobody's yard, so I'm just going on that public property. Even though I kind of went through homie's yard earlier. Trying to stay on the easement, just to be nice to my neighbors. Today I'm gonna finish up the setup of the Sur-Ron. Just gonna adjust the bars and brakes to a more comfortable position. And I'm gonna take out this wire here on both the brakes and insulate that. And that way it won't cut the power every time I brake. Then I'd be able to do nice fat peel, wheelies, stuff like that. I only did that little peel yesterday. It only took off a couple of the fancy fuzzy brand new tire things. But yeah, that's the quick plan, so I'm gonna get to it. Alright, so I moved the bars forward a little bit. I backed these out as much as I could because I still want it to look clean. And I don't feel like going through all of here and plugging and taking out those wires. So I'll do that maybe over the weekend. I didn't install the pedal kit yet. Once I ride with Ivan tomorrow, we're bringing it to the trails. I'll probably do it before then. And then I took the back plate off. And yeah, that's about it. Yeah, that's it for this video. I'll put all the riding into a different video, because this is probably too long as it is just setting it up. that's it. Hopefully this looks good enough for a thumbnail.